Quick update from the STEMWERX home studio back in Northwest Florida, coming off of the Rolex 24 and the Roar before the 24. Of course, we had the Zumi Bot that we used, and scouts were able to program and run those cars around the track. These are AI enabled, and if you take the cover off, you can actually see there's a camera in the front, and there's sensors below. There's kind of like LiDAR sensors in the front and also in the rear. So you can do quite a bit of programming here. See the Raspberry Pi board as part of that system, and these are pretty capable systems. But coming off of the race, these are the normal case, and of course we had some custom paint schemes. And so I'm in the process right now of doing another tribute vehicle, and check this out. I'm about to take it out into the paint booth, shoot it with another bit of lacquer, but see if you recognize this puppy here. So we got number 10, Wayne Taylor Racing. Tribute there, little tail and license plate there on the van, and you see a little stripe up above. But this is hand painted, a little bit of metallic black, but it's gonna hit the booth, and this is gonna be part of the fleet the kids get to do as we do some more STEM events this year. More to follow. This will get posted out. But again, just a quick update from here, Northwest Florida, in the STEMWERX studio and lab. And everyone have a great morning.